being the health educator of our union, who have come to this place, and I believe God has a reason, God has a purpose why this privilege has been given to me. My coming to Davao City is just to merely attend the women's training on regeneration. We have done regeneration training in the past. Regeneration is a program that would awaken our spiritual state wherein we are sometimes in a place of dying. We need to be awakened. Whether we like it or not, all of us have dysfunctions in ourselves. Addictions. Maybe work, we call that workaholism. Shopping can be also considered as a form of addiction. Maybe some of us are addicted to